Welcome. Today, I'm going to walk you through the steps on how to add your high school to your Facebook profile on a PC with the new layout. It's a simple way to connect with old friends and see what everyone's up to. Let's get started. First, open Facebook in your web browser and log into your account if you aren't already. Next, look at the top right corner of the page. You'll see your profile picture there. Click on it to go to your profile page. Once you're on your profile, find the About section. It's usually located near the top, under your cover photo and profile information. Click on it. In the About section, you'll see different categories on the left-hand side. Look for Work and Education and click on it. This is where you'll add your high school information. Now, you should see an option to add a secondary school. Click on it. A form will appear where you can enter the details about your high school. Fill in the fields with the relevant information. This typically includes the name of your high school, the years you attended, and any other details you want to add, like activities or clubs you were a part of. Once you've filled out all the necessary information, click the Save button. This will add your high school to your Facebook profile under the Education section. That's it. You've successfully added your high school to your Facebook profile. Now you can start connecting with classmates, reminiscing about old times, and maybe even planning a reunion. Enjoy reconnecting with your high school friends.